Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
It's very customer friendly, particularly, this nomination issue had been pending for a long time. And also this reporting Friday improves the ease of doing business so far as the banks are concerned also. And naturally for comparison purposes it's good. So far as the unclaimed deposits are concerned, last year we had launched a special drive and under which we advised every bank that each branch, depending on the number of unclaimed deposits they have, each branch should proactively on their own go out of their way, take special steps to identify top 10 unclaimed deposits and reach out to the persons. The progress has been satisfactory. Across regions the progress was uneven. We are pursuing that. Again, next current year also we propose to take a similar measure. Besides that, we have, as you would be aware, we have set up we have now set up a digital, we have set up this Udgam portal which houses all the list of all unclaimed deposits across the banking system. So anybody wanting to know whether he has an unclaimed deposit will be able to access the data in respect of Udgam portal. Earlier, the customers had to run from bank to bank. Let us say a person, there's an unfortunate death of a member in the family. If the other member, the children, want to know where their parents had bank accounts, today it's much easier.